we bought spaghetti, chicken, burger steak, rice, burger, Coke float, and fries, and the kiddie meal. This one.
Now serving number 24.
Annyeonghaseyo. So this is the white pink girls together with the manager singing. So you already arrived from Jollibee. So you have had your Jollibee mukbang, right? So you ordered super value meal, includes with spaghetti, burger steak, chicken, and rice. You also include french fries, and you upgraded your Coke to Coke float, right? And you also ordered Happy Meal. So that Jollibee headbands that you're wearing right now includes with the Happy Meal, right? With the Yum Burger, correct? Okay then, so this is your receipt. So this is 2,376 and the change is 624. So the 100 plus was being was used for transportation, right? Back and forth transportation. So you have the remaining of 550. So the 550 will be divided into 5 for Chris Jane, Althea, Zanaya, Irisha, and Sinin. So this is the 505. So 550, I'm sorry. So 110 each of them. So please get your 110. Wow. And your Jollibee mukbang. And that remaining 550 is from
Dongjunim 감사합니다.
Dongjunim 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo. Alona's father putting the roof on Althea's house.
Kuptan ako. Dili po tumayo, sige tumayo ako. Oh. Dapat ba? Ay, sunod na lang sangat. Tawag ka yan. Ala. Kana na. Ana ni papa. Usara na kalan na dia, kahit na dia. Isto na.
Annyeonghaseyo. So I am here at Althea's house. So this part of their house was the roof that has been damaged by the typhoon. So they changed it. So this is two roof, and the other two was on that part because every time it rains, so the water get inside. So there you go, and it's already done. So it was worked by it was been fixed by Alona's father, and that is from
Mayong buntag nim,
Kamsamnida.
Kamsamnida Mayong Buntag name for repairing the roof of Althea's house. Kamsamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo, Majinim. Thank you for giving back 500 pesos for buy a medicine. And here's a Ambroxol and paracetamol for my ubo and sipon. Majinim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Here's a Ambroxol. This is a paracetamol for my sipon. Majinim, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. So I am Teacher Jen and I am here at Irene's house. So we will gonna see the update of Irene's house. Okay, so asa mo tong i-renovate? So Irene, annyeonghaseyo sabi.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Chonon.
Janan, Elgosel, Jatotoi, Hanyon, Irene Imida.
Irene Imnida. Okay, so the mother of Irene. Okay, so this is your grandpa's house, no? A house. Room. So your grandfather's room. So there you go. So your grandfather can sleep well already, no? Gani. So that part was window na siya diha. Okay. Okay, there you go. And ang iha pong CR. So this is the door of their CR or comfort room. So it already has a door. Okay, so kisa man nagkuha ni mo ani Irene?
Dangjunim, kamsahamnida.
Dongjunim, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.